papaya, the only way I can have it is when it's raw. Because I can make raw papaya salad from it. Grated papaya, cherry tomatoes, palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can add brown sugar too. Lemon juice, soy sauce, roasted peanuts, garlic and green chili. The good thing about this salad is you can customize it your way. First, I will grind these 3 ingredients in a mortar and pestle. First, I'll add garlic and then the green chili. Let's mash it together. We'll coarsely crush the peanuts. It's done. I will make the dressing in this. First, we will put lemon juice. To this, we will add soy sauce. I have used Kikkoman's light soy sauce because it has a lot of flavor. Now, time to add the sugar. To this, I'll add my crushed ingredients. Now we will shake it together. Shake, 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 shake. If you want to carry it in the tiffin, carry the dressing separately. But I want to eat it right now. So I'll assemble it right away. Let's assemble the salad. We'll add grated papaya. Now we will add cherry tomatoes. Let's add the dressing. It looks yum. Now we will mix it all up. Smells good. The salad has to be sweet, sour and spicy. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Let's taste it. I love it. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.